Busy Alex. In a bustling city, there lived a young man named Alex. Alex was always busy, constantly rushing from one task to another, trying to keep up with the demands of his work and personal life. He found himself caught in a never-ending cycle of busyness, feeling overwhelmed and exhausted. Each morning, Alex would wake up early and rush to get ready for the day. He would quickly eat his breakfast while checking his emails and making phone calls. With a to-do list that seemed to grow longer each day, he would head out the door in a hurry, barely taking a moment to appreciate the beauty of the world around him. Throughout the day, Alex would find himself immersed in a whirlwind of meetings, deadlines, and paperwork. His desk was cluttered with piles of documents and his inbox was constantly flooded with emails. He would multitask, trying to juggle multiple projects at once, often feeling like he was barely keeping his head above water. As the days turned into weeks and the weeks into months, Alex began to feel the weight of his busy work taking a toll on his well-being. He found himself becoming more irritable, losing focus, and feeling a constant sense of stress and tension. He knew that something needed to change. One evening, while scrolling through social media, Alex stumbled upon an article about the importance of finding balance in life. Intrigued, he decided to delve deeper into the topic. He discovered that being busy all the time was not a badge of honor, but rather a hindrance to one's overall happiness and productivity. With newfound awareness, Alex made a conscious decision to make a change in his life. He realized that he needed to prioritize his well-being and find ways to manage his busy work in a more sustainable manner. The next morning, instead of rushing through his morning routine, Alex woke up a little earlier. He took a few moments to sit in silence, practicing deep breathing and setting positive intentions for the day ahead. This small act of mindfulness helped him start the day with a sense of calm and clarity. Throughout the day, Alex began implementing small changes to his work routine. He started by prioritizing his tasks, focusing on the most important ones first and delegating or postponing the less urgent ones. He learned to set boundaries, saying no to additional commitments that would only add to his busyness. Alex also discovered the power of taking short breaks throughout the day. Instead of working through lunch or continuously pushing himself, he would step outside and take a walk around the block. These brief moments of fresh air and movement helped him clear his mind and return to his work with renewed focus and energy. In the evenings, Alex made it a point to disconnect from his work. He would turn off his phone and laptop, allowing himself time to relax and recharge. He would spend quality time with his loved ones, engage in hobbies he enjoyed, or simply unwind with a good book or a soothing music playlist. As the weeks went by, Alex noticed a significant shift in his well-being. He felt less stressed and more in control of his workload. He realized that by taking the time to care for himself and manage his busy work in a more balanced way, he was actually becoming more productive and efficient. Over time, Alex's newfound approach to his busy work inspired those around him. His colleagues noticed the positive changes in him and began adopting similar practices. The work environment became more supportive and conducive to well-being, with a focus on productivity rather than busyness. Alex's journey taught him the importance of finding harmony between work and personal life. He understood that being busy does not necessarily equate to success or fulfillment. True success lies in finding a balance that allows for productivity, creativity, and overall well-being. And so, Alex continued on his path of managing his busy work in a more mindful and balanced way. He became an advocate for work-life balance, sharing his experiences and insights with others. His story served as a reminder to everyone that life is not just about being busy, but about finding joy, purpose, and peace amidst the chaos of everyday life.